National flag salute. Order.
Wall.
मोदकं सदा मुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासि लोकरक्षकं मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा मुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासि लोकरक्षकम् अलायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नदाशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम्।
So, Saripoka.
This is the day in which we constitute our own constitution to run the nation. First, the constitution is constituted, body is constituted under the leadership of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and then the constitution head of the writing committee is Dr. Ambedkar. So after taking 2 years, 7 months and 18 days, the great Indian Constitution, which is the longest in the world, with covering all the sections of the people, downtrodden, rich, irrespective of the people, having all the rights, having right to speak, to question, demand for education, demand for justice, equality among the caste, and communities.
Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and my dear sweet kids. I make use of this opportunity to extend 77th Republic Day celebrations to you all. Our chairman has given a brief idea the importance of Republic Day. We got independence in 1947. 3 years we tried our level best to compose a book of rules and regulations to be followed by every Indian. Being an institution and individual, the Constitution is being given top priority. What's in Constitution? I could say it is the sense of responsibility.
Everyone, so all happy Republic Day. So what is the importance of Republic Day? Already our academic advisor and chairman sir explained. In that, just 1 or 2 words I'm going to repeat for you. So after getting independence from 1947, 2.5 years they had taken to take some rules and regulations, how the public should follow, how our freedom should be enjoyed. For that, they have given some rights to you. Through that rights, how you have to utilize the rights towards the nation, how to develop the nation.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Lekana. I am studying 2nd class. A very happy Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. On this day, our constitution came into force in 1906. Today is 26th January. Very first I wish all a very happy Republic Day. A Republic Day is a national festival of our country. This year we are celebrating 76th Republic Day. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. Republic Day teaches is to live in unity and peace. It is a very important day, very for every Indian. I love my India and I am proud to be on India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Everyone please give it.
దగ్గర
ఒక వాడికి పరిమితమా అంబేద్కరుడు ప్రతి వాడికి హక్కులను పంచినవాడు తను రాసిండు రాజ్యాంగం దేశం కోసం తను చేసిండు పోరాటం అందరి కోసం తను రాసిండు రాజ్యాంగం దేశం కోసం తను చేసిండు పోరాటం అందరి కోసం మనని నానా నాన్నని నానా
ఇంకా దగ్గర పెట్టుకో మైక్.
దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే అందాల బంధం ఉంది నేలలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది గాలిలో ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరత మాత ఒకటే లేరా ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా మాకెన్ని భేదాలున్నా దేశమంటే ఏకమవుతాం అంతా ఈ వేళ భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారత కాండం ఒక అమృత బాండం నిర్మల సుర గంగాజల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరి బిల్లులు విలిసిన నిలయం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారత కాండం ఒక అమృత బాండం ఉత్తరాన ఉన్నతమై హిమగిరి శిఖరం దక్షిణాన నెలకొన్నది హిందూ సముద్రం ఉత్తరాన ఉన్నతమై హిమగిరి శిఖరం దక్షిణాన నెలకొన్నది హిందూ సముద్రం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారత కాండం ఒక అమృత బాణం. Respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Naira. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating as 77th Republic Day. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. Our Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We should always respect our constituency. I love my India very much. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Good morning to the respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am E.S. Hassan from class 6. Today I am going to give a short speech on Republic Day. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating 77th Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated due to the constitutions came into the force on 26th January 1950. It took exactly 2 years, 11 months, 18 days to write Constitution. The Constitution is written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Morning, respected principals, sir, chairman, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Republic Day, one of the most important days in the history of our country. On 26th January 1950, India became republic, and Constitution came into effect. This day reminds us that the people of India has the power to choose their leaders and shape out the future of our nation. Our Constitution gave us fundamental rights such as principal sir, chairman sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating 77th Republic Day. Republic Day is the national festival of India. It is celebrated with great joy and happiness. Republic Day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is known as the father of